This is especially true for flagship devices like the Galaxy S series, which cater to tech enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals. Samsung is expected to introduce the Galaxy S25 Ultra next month, and we've already heard a lot about what's in store. This includes the exciting news that the entire range will run on the new Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU. Storage and RAM options. Leak testing reveals that Samsung's flagship phones might struggle against other upcoming handsets like the OnePlus 13. However, those tests were conducted with 12 gigs of RAM. A recent post by noted tipster Jano Reeve on X offers three probable storage options: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The latter two will likely feature 16 GB of RAM, while the 256 GB version might still only have 12 GB of RAM. This RAM boost could help the Galaxy S25 Ultra compete with the Google Pixel 9 Pro and the top-end OnePlus 12. Design changes. A recent leak showed off a revised design that gets rid of the sharp corners, opting for a more curved shape, which provides comfort and style. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to sport a stunning 6.86-inch AMOLED display with a smaller bezel, enhancing the user experience. This improvement to the screen further solidifies Samsung's strategy to embrace change in smartphone shape and usability. Camera and display enhancements. Photo enthusiasts should look forward to a well-equipped camera system, featuring a 200MP main camera, a 50MP ultrawide lens, and two telephoto lenses with 3x and 5x hybrid optic zoom. While Samsung's display division has supplied M14 OLED panels to numerous customers, its smartphone division has chosen not to use the latest OLED materials for Galaxy S25 screens to conserve costs. However, future flagships may feature display advancements courtesy of an upgraded M13 panel. Battery and AI features. Multiple reports indicate that Samsung has fixed grainy display issues on the Galaxy S25 series and improved power efficiency and color accuracy for richer pictures. The new flagships should also include a breakthrough anti-reflective coating that minimizes screen glare for better outdoor visibility. Another rumor hints at new battery AI functionality to increase battery life by limiting the processor and 5G modem. This AI feature could learn your usage patterns and optimize battery performance accordingly. Charging capabilities. Samsung is notorious for battery degeneration, with incidents of batteries ballooning. Hopefully, with battery AI or other innovations, the firm can address this issue once and for all. The charging speeds are likely to remain the same: 45 watts of cable charging for the Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra, and 25 watts for the basic Galaxy S25. All Galaxy S25 versions will support wireless charging, but whether it will be the same 15 watts remains to be seen. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an exciting flagship with major upgrades in design, performance, and camera capabilities. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.